students. I am Jayapriya. I am going to handle you the subject English. Today we are going to see the poem for 7th standard in unit 1. So the poem is The Computer Swallowed Grandma. Okay, so you can see the video clearly. So the computer swallowed grandma. So swallowed means completely taking it inside. Okay, swallowed means eating it inside. So that is the meaning for swallowed. So in this heading they are telling that the computer has fully eating up the grandmother. So this is a funny poem where we can see that the computer is eating the grandma. So this poem was written by a person whose name was not known. Okay, the author name was not given. That's what in your poem it has been mentioned as anonymous. Okay, so anonymous, ANONYMOUS. This means anonymous. Anonymous means the person, the author name is not known. Okay, so let's have a small introduction about this poem. So this poem here we have two particular characters. One is your grandmother and another one is the grandson. So they both are having the conversation through the computer. Okay, usually nowadays, now in this situation, if you see, we are communicating either through the mobile or through the computers. Likewise, in this poem also, the grandmother is now communicating with the grandson through the computer. So at that time, what happened was, when grandmother is pressing some keys in the keyboard, grandmother was completely eaten up by the computer. Okay, so suddenly she was disappearing. So the grandson was searching. The grandson started to search for a grandmother through all the ways in the computer. So finally he was not able to find his grandmother. So he is telling the computer to find out my grandmother, and when you get my grandmother back, you send it through an email message. Okay, like that he is conveying to the computer. So this is a small conversation that is with computer, what we are doing in the real time world. Okay, so this is the conversation between the grandmother and the grandson. Okay, now we will start with the poem. So here in this poem, if you see, there are totally 5 stanzas. We will see each one by one. Okay, so we will see each stanza one by one. So we will see the first stanza now. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. Okay. So the computer swallowed grandma. So in the first line itself, they are telling that the computer has completely eaten the grandmother. Yes, honestly, it is true. So from the heart, it is the true thing that has happened before the grandson. Okay, she pressed Control and Enter keys. So we know that in computer, that is whenever we use a keyboard. So for typing purpose, we use the keyboard. So in the keyboard, if you see, there are 2 keys. One is your Control key, another one is the Enter key. So when the grandmother was pressing the Control and the Enter keys and disappeared from view. So what happened? She suddenly disappeared from the view of his grandson. Okay, so because they both are only communicating with each other. So when I am communicating with you, if suppose the opposite person is not in the view, then what will happen? That place will be empty. So he is telling my grandmother was disappearing from the view. So this is the first stanza. Now we will move on to the second stanza. So here in the second stanza, it devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Okay, so in the second stanza, what the grandson is telling, it devoured her completely. Devoured. Okay, the word devoured means consumed. Okay, consumed means having it inside. So eating it inside. So it devoured her completely. Not even the grandmother legs are outside the computer. So everything, all the body part and everything went inside the computer. So it has consumed, the computer has consumed grandmother completely inside. Okay. The thought just makes me squirm. Okay. The word squirm means turn. Okay. To turn. That is, whenever he thinks that his grandmother was away from his view, the grandson was not able to think anything. Okay, that is the meaning of this line. So he was turning just like that. So he don't know what to do because suddenly his grandmother got disappeared. Okay. Now, she must have got a virus. So he is telling a computer term, that is, his grandmother have caught a virus. Caught means whether his grandmother has got some virus, the virus has caught her. Okay, so virus means it is a malicious code. So in computer terms we tell it as malicious code. That is a computer program where that particular program will cause damage to the files and the documents that are present in the computer. Okay, so that is a damage causing virus. So he is thinking that this virus would have caught his grandmother. Okay, he is thinking in that way. So it is really a funny poem, yes or no? Or been eaten by a worm. Again that author is telling, that the grandson is telling, or it may be eaten by a worm, or his grandmother may be eaten by a worm. So worm is also a computer program. Okay, that is also a computer program, that is a malicious code. Okay, which means that the code will damage the files. That code will spread by itself. So it has the capability of dividing by itself. So it will totally damage the computer. So that type of worm would have eaten his grandmother. So he is thinking in this way also. So that is all about your second stanza. And now we will move on to the third stanza. Okay, in third stanza, what they are telling, what the grandson is telling is, I have searched through the recycle bin. Okay, so in computer we have a term called recycle bin. So recycle bin means it is like a dustbin. Okay, so in dustbin what and all we will throw? We will throw all the waste things inside the dustbin. Likewise, in your computer, the files and the documents which we don't need or which we don't use further, that will be thrown inside your recycle bin. Okay, so this grandson is searching his grandmother through the recycle bin also. Okay, and files of every kind. Okay, and he is searching of all the files. Okay, many files will be there in your computer and many documents we will have. So documents, files means it is a record that has been maintained in your computer. So he is searching all the files also. Even then he was not able to find his grandmother. Okay, I have even used the internet. Okay, and then again he is telling he have used the internet. So internet means connecting people. So throughout the world we are able to communicate with the people only through the internet. Okay, if we have the internet facility, we will be able to communicate with the people around the world. So using that internet also, this grandson has been searching his grandmother, and then but nothing did I find. So finally he did not find anything out of it. Okay, he was not able to find his grandmother. So it is really sad, no? So when a person is searching for his grandmother, he is searching continuously and he did not find anywhere else in the computer. So he is telling, I cannot find her in the internet, I cannot find her in any of the way. Okay, that is your third stanza. So now we will move on to the fourth stanza. In fourth stanza what they are telling is, in desperation I asked Jeeves. Okay, my search is to refine. Okay, the reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Okay, so here in this fourth stanza, what they are telling us, in desperation. So desperation means without a hope or losing the hope. Okay, desperation is losing your hope. That is, you will be courage all the times, but at some times we will lose our hope. Yes or no? Like that, when he was searching so many things. That is, he was searching for his grandmother and he is analyzing everything. Even then he was not able to find his grandmother. So he became very hopeless person. So in desperation, I asked Jeeves. So now the grandson is asking the Jeeves. So Jeeves is nothing but it is a search engine. Okay, search engine means if we want to know about a particular concept, what we have to do, we will either go to the Google search or we have the Yahoo search. Okay, so all these terms and all you will be used to. Yes or no? So if we want to find out a concept, we have to put that word or type that word in the Google search tab. Then only we can get the information about that particular word. Likewise, this grandson also is searching his grandmother in a search engine that is known as Jeeves. Okay, so Jeeves is a search engine that will come under the website ask.com. Okay, so we have a website called ask.com. So under that you have this search engine called Jeeves. So there also he is searching his grandmother. And then my search is to refine. My search is to refine. Okay, the word refine means to filter that I need. Okay, so when you search for a particular concept, we have so many information that has been given by the internet to the people. Okay, so usually what happens, if we are searching for a particular concept, that particular all the concept about that, all the information about that concept will be displayed. So we have to select only the particular concept whatever we need. Okay, so that is what in the line he is asking, his grandson is asking to search my grandmother. So we have several information related to our search. So from there you should refine, you should filter my grandmother back. So like that he is asking the search engine Jeeves. And then the reply from him was negative. So after all searching for a long time, what happened? The reply from the Jeeves, if you see, it was what? Negative. Negative means he was not able to find his grandmother. So the result of his search was negative. And then not a thing was found online. Okay, not a small thing also was found in the online. So we are doing our online shopping and we are doing our online meeting, so etc. Nowadays we are doing online meeting and etc. We are doing that things only. So here the grandson is telling, I was not able to find my grandmother in online also. She was not available there also. So he is mentioning this one. Okay, and then we will move on to the next stanza. So the next stanza is, not a thing was found online. Okay, so not a thing was found online is your fourth stanza that has been completed. Now we will move on to the fifth stanza. So if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan, paste her in an email back to me. Okay, so now the grandson is telling, after searching for a long time, now the grandson is telling, if my grandmother is inside your inbox. Okay, so inbox is a name or the word or a folder that is present in the email messages. Okay, so usually we will message using the concept called electronic messages. Okay, so that has been done through the internet. So if we are having internet connection, we can communicate with each other through email messages. Okay, so in email messages, that email messages is used to send the information from one person to the people or from people to people. So like that we can communicate with each other. So what is happening here? So if inside your inbox, okay, if inside your inbox, my grandmother, you should see. So if you see my grandmother inside your inbox, please copy, scan, paste her. So in computer terms, if we want a copy of one file, we can copy it, and that file should be placed in some other place, means we can paste it. And if you want, means we can scan it. Okay, scanning is nothing but when we are taking a Xerox of a file or a copy, we need to take a scan of that particular file. So that is the scanning process. So these all you do. Okay, you take a copy of her, you scan her, and also you paste her in your email message, and then that email message you send back to me. Okay, that grandson is telling to the computer, after you paste her in your email messages, you again send her to me. Okay, like that he is explaining in the 5th stanza. Okay, so this is the poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. Okay, here in this poem, or as I said, the computer, so through the computer, the grandmother and the grandson both are making a conversation. At that time, what is happening? Grandmother, suddenly she disappeared from the view. So after that, the grandson is searching her for a longer time, and he was not able to find, and he was searching in all the options, but he cannot find his grandmother. And finally he is telling to the messages that if you find in your inbox, you kindly paste her, and you copy her, scan her, and you paste her, and again you send a message to me. Okay, like that he is telling. So this is a very good comical poem where all the funny things are happening. That is, in computer terms, they are explaining the emotions, that how the grandmother and the grandson are communicating. Okay, so hope you all understood this poem, and now we will see the rhyming scheme and also the rhyming words. Okay, so for 7th standard you would have already come across the word rhyming words and rhyming schemes. Okay, so the rhyming word, it's nothing but the word that is in poems. In every line, if you see the lines that are present in each stanza, okay, at the end of each line, the ending word should be the word should match with another line word. Okay, that is, there should be the ending words should have the same sound. The ending word should have the same sound. So for example, in the first paragraph, if you see, grandma, true, enter, view. These are the 4 words. And if you see, true and view will sound the same. Okay, the end words, true and view, will have the same sound. So that is the rhyming word. And in the second stanza, if you see, squirm and worm, which sounds the same. That is the rhyming word. And in the third, kind and we can see find. So those 2 are rhyming words. And in the 4th stanza, if you see, refine and online, that is the rhyming word. And in the 5th stanza, you can see the second line, last word see, and the last line, last word me. See, me will sound the same. So these are the rhyming words that are present in this poem. And now we will see what is your rhyming scheme. So rhyming scheme is nothing but we are giving the alphabets for each and every line, and together if you combine it, that is called as rhyming scheme. So if you see in the first line, the computer swallowed grandma. So you have to check with the last word. Usually the rhyming words we have to check with the last word. So grandma. So now we are naming this line as A. And then, yes, honestly it's true. So true is different, and grandma is different. So I'm naming this line as B. Okay, and then she pressed Control and Enter. So enter is a different sounded word when compared with your true and grandma. Okay, so that has been named as C. And again, when you come to the fourth line, the last word and disappear from view. So view will be what? View will be same as your true. That is of the same line of the second word. Okay. So in the second line, if you see, the last word is true, and in the last line, the last word is view. Both sounds the same, which are the rhyming words. So your rhyming scheme will be A, which is different, B, okay, and then C, because each are unique, each are different, each words will sound differently. And finally, when you come to the fourth line, view, which sounds the same as true. Okay, view, true. So this both will be same. So your rhyming scheme will be A, B, C, B. Okay, it will be A, B, C, B. Okay, so this is your rhyming scheme, and you understand what is your rhyming words, and you understand what is your rhyming schemes. Okay, so that's all the poem. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.